Fiction. Tiramisu, okay, ready in minutes, okay, and then you just have to set it overnight in the fridge. And if you do it in cups, instead of doing it in a pan, you can also have it ready in a few hours. We're gonna take the egg yolks and we're gonna add some sugar to it. Then we're gonna make what we call a sabayon. We're gonna pop this on a bain-marie, which is a saucepan of simmering water. Make sure the water is simply simmering and not boiling, all right? This sabayon is gonna make your tiramisu really nice and creamy and rich. And at the same time, it's also going to stabilize it, meaning it's gonna keep it nice and firm, all right? This is not gritty anymore. I can't feel the sugar anymore. And this is paler and thicker. That means it is ready. We can take it off the heat, all right? Now this is mascarpone or Italian cream cheese. We are going to add some alcohol to it. Traditionally, they use marsala wine. You can also use amaretto, golden rum, which is what we have here. Okay. Bring it together, mix, mix, mix. All right, see how creamy that is now? Now, all you have to do is bring this over. All right, this is slightly cool already. You're gonna pour this in here. Bring it together and see the texture now. And it's done, okay? Really nice and creamy. And now it's time to add the next ingredient. Traditionally, they beat the egg whites until you get like a soft peak, all right? And then they fold it in. Right? A lot of you, I know, don't want to use raw eggs, which is why we are going to add whipped cream in it, which is also going to make it richer and creamier, all right? I've left my whipping cream to chill in the fridge. The bowl's been chilling in the fridge. The whisk has been chilling in the fridge as well. This will just make it easier for you to get stiff peaks faster. Now it's time to fold all of this into this, and I'm going to do it in 2 goes. All right, put that in there. Go under and over and fold this in gently. Under and over, under and over, under and we're gonna get some very good espresso. All right, cool it down, add our alcohol of choice, mix, and then you need some lady fingers or savoyardi. Wow. So in and out. Now, you take some of the cream, put it on, okay, spread it out. Okay, that's 1 layer of lady fingers and 1 layer of cream. All right, now cocoa in there. This goes in the fridge to set all day long. You can serve this at dinner. If you want to serve it the next day, you can actually make this the previous day and leave it in the fridge. When you want to serve, you just cut it up into 9 pieces and serve. 9 really big pieces. Clear? Yes. Okay, I'm just go in and out, split it in half, pop it in there at the bottom like this. Cream in there, in and out. Another dollop. Okay, last step. Dust with cocoa. And we put this in the fridge for a few hours to set. This will be way faster than the tray that we did earlier, okay? And this works really well when you have guests coming over.